So today we're at Denbigh.
Yeah.
We're at
Denbigh.
yeah. So we're at Denbigh Agricultural Show, which is the biggest agricultural show in Jamaica. It happens every year.
We're going to the zoo.
Yeah, we're gonna see animals later, so that's why she's saying zoo. But yeah. Oh, Mark Golden. So time for the voiceover because you guys won't be able to handle all the noise in the background. So we started to walk and we saw this lady with the snake around her neck, and we saw people petting birds. So we're like, so let's do Zoe now. Look, she's holding the bird. You want to hold the bird too? Let's see.
Relax now.
Go Zoe! Go Zoe! Look at me, say cheese! Yay! Good girl! Come! So Mrs. Zoe, she championed through the snake, but when it came to the bird, when it came to the parrot, she was like, no. And I guess it's because the parrot was kind of moving, moving. So she's like, no, not today. So look at me, no.
Look how Chrissy got easy.
Woo! Woo!
Hey!
Guys, when I saw the snake tongue, it was game over for me. Like, no! Alright, take it off now. Take it off. Take it off now.
I want to go to the robot.
Take him off. Take him off. On my way to meet a friend, right in front of the same spot, I saw Mark. And look, now Andrew, come at the cameraman, yeah. So this is my friend that I went to meet. Love you. Anyway, now it's time to go to the plant section. And honestly, guys, I love this section. So many plants, from your garden flowers to your fruit trees to your edging, your palms, your hanging flowers, to your potted plants and the succulents. Ooh, beautiful spread of succulents. 10 out of 10 recommend this if you're going to Denbigh, go into this section. But anyway, my goal was only one thing. Finally got my Julie tree. So yes, my goal was to get some fruit trees, and this is my orange tree and my Julie tree, plus I got 2 little small plants for my garden that I'm working on right now. So this is us entering the Heart NSTA booth, and if you know Heart, they're all about plants and agriculture and all of that. So this is your lettuce patch. Cute, nice. I don't know how they got that there. And then this is me in the forestry department, and they have all sorts of wild tree, well, let me not say wild, but outdoor forest trees on sale. JP was also there, and I think they were having a banana competition. Those bunches of bananas, they're so lovely, big, beautiful. Them just look nice, like very nice. So some people over there drink coconut water too, so probably they have coconut over there too. But yeah, intermission, quick intermission. We're going to enter the children and family village right now.
Go to the zoo.
Honestly, I've never been in a crowd like this in a very long time. It's a lot of people. So we came up on this ride, and all me can see a line everywhere. Plus this first wheel, way too small. I would have to go on this with Zoe, and this can't hold me, to be honest. This is just for kids. I've seen way bigger Ferris wheels at Denbigh, and I guess we're coming out of a pandemic, so I understand. Then we had these in the back there. Behind these two, they had some bouncy houses. Some bunks about. Them that have some bunks about behind these two. This front one here was like an air balloon going up, and then they had the rock climbing, and of course, I think there were some trampolines as well. Let's go to the left. Come, cameraman. Go on to the left. Slowly but surely. And there we are. So they had some trampolines, but honestly, all I could see, crowd, expected. Auntie Maxine is like, Nope. But crowd and lines, Zoe was not very impressed either. So let's get out of here. And then while we were leaving, we saw this bouncer boat going all the way down. I don't know if kids were in there or not, but it seems as though somebody was in there because the man is now trying to lift it up too. I don't know. Let out people. But anyway, no. Let's move on. So then we hopped on over to the Neutrogenics sections, and they had a lot of farm animals. We started with the cows. So this was an embryo transfer cow. The brown one carried the black one. Baby. And anyway, Miss Zoe was so excited because she's been talking about zoo, 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 zoo. But this cow, very big. Some of the biggest cows I saw was in this section. And I couldn't get to video the big ones properly because crowd. But yeah, this is me trying to go through. This was like a 1,500 pound cow. But anyway, let's go somewhere less crowded. We went over to see a layer of chickens, and just in time for egg. Watch the egg. Hey, egg. And then we saw some goats. And what else did we see? Pig. Hi, piggy. And some sheep. Sheep is the correct, yeah. Anyway, we went over to Grace next. And they had a nice little spread, nice little display. You know, Grace has a lot of Jamaican products. They're like one of Jamaica's biggest food manufacturers. So this is Auntie Maxine and Zoe playing this game that Grace had. And yeah, it was like a matching game with all their products, this big pretty screen. I enjoyed it, and this is me playing now. I'm about to play. And I was saying that if I got to level 7 and up, I am entitled to a prize. So me pressing away, cause girl, I have been, girl and guys, ladies and gentlemen, I have been playing this brain game recently, and I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can see it. I 10 out of 10 recommend it. It's pretty fun. So yes, let me try to switch to this audio and see if it's gonna work out. But this is somebody trying to point at things to help me, and yeah, but at some point I had to be like, give me a minute here, let me think about this myself. But if you're that person and you're watching this, thank you for your help. We need people like you in this world to help others along the way, you know, so pick up yourself. But anyway, let's go to the video audio.
But play same way.
Yeah, it's too much. I want you for some minutes. I reached round 7, so I'm getting a prize, right? You want a prize.
So we won a prize.
Hi. So I'm finally reached round 8. So you send me inside. One of these? What you want, Iso? Which one you want? Choose one.
Over here.
You want a mason jar, you want a cup for your water, a mug, or what is this? A funny pack? Lunch bag? What did you ever use that?
So why not this one?
So you can carry this one to school. Yeah. Or you want a lunch bag? You want a new lunch bag or you want a water bottle? Okay, let's go. Thank you. Thanks. So we got a water bottle for getting to round 8. So this is us in satin scent / Jamaica Sensors. They invited us in to spin the wheel, so Zoe's gonna do that for us. And brace yourself for the noise. We're about to go back to the video audio, so please bear with me.
Can you answer a question from here?
Lord God.
I can spin it for you. Can you answer a question? If you get the question correctly, then yeah.
Let me answer a question about
Census.
tagline for the 2022 census. What kind of tagline she has?
You count, me count, all of we count. You count, me count, all of we count. That's the tagline.
Tell me again.
You count, me count, all of we count. Answer one question. Spin now, wait, Zoe, ready?
Spin away.
Ready, set, go. Spin it.
Yay!
Oh, you got a pen. She got a pen. You got a pen, baby. God, get and try to. Through our pause. Only the government uses data collected from the census. Pause.
Spin again, Zoe.
I'm going to spin again, so. What a big spin! You get So, quick little toy stop. Zoe had to grab something pretty, and then we went over to get some food. Jerk chicken everywhere, but guess what? Nobody jerk chicken already. Jerk chicken, yeah. Ray nephew was there, rainforest, like so many booths right there. And this is a soup man, and you have the jerk man chopping up the chicken, but it was not enough for all of us, so we had to settle for some popcorn until we got out of the venue and was on the way home. Y'all, I made it back to the car. Look at my feet, look at my pants. Just finished Dust Central. Denbigh was, oh my god, tiring. Right now I sweat. You can see my face oily, literally. But anyway, I got my 2 plants, and then I got an orange tree and a Julie tree and 2 little plants in my garden that I'm working on. But yeah guys, I'm gonna close out the video here. Oh my gosh, me look so rough. I not even know I'm gonna film some of it. It will be voiceover because the music was playing at a lot of the stations. I don't even know if I recorded properly or what, but I'm gonna just give you all a quick run through of what Denbigh was, and hopefully it was a good video. I don't know, but as I said, I want to start recording consistently, so anywhere I go I'll try to just do a vlog basically. So yeah, so I could just start being consistent, and then I'll become better, you know. Practice makes progress. Yeah, so that's where we're heading. All right, so thank you for watching.